غزلتي وانا نحوس انا وعلى غزلتي. The shape of a man's desire. This desert rose, whose shadow bears the secret it pawns. This desert flower, no sweet perfume ever tortured me more than this. And now she turns, I lift my gaze to empty sky.